Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make beans and sauce. First, rinse 1 pound of dried beans thoroughly under cold water. Soaking them overnight in 3 cups of water helps them cook evenly and reduces cooking time significantly. If you're short on time, a quick soak method involves boiling them for 1 minute, then letting them sit for 1 hour. This initial step is crucial for tender, delicious beans. After soaking, drain your beans and transfer them to a large pot. Cover them with about 4 cups of fresh water or vegetable broth, ensuring they are fully submerged. Bring the liquid to a boil, then reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Cook for 1 to 2 hours, or until the beans are tender but not mushy. Remember to skim any foam that rises to the top. While your beans are simmering, let's create a flavorful sauce. In a separate pan, sauté 1 diced onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic until fragrant. Add 1 15-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, along with your favorite spices like cumin, paprika, and a pinch of chili powder. Bring it to a gentle simmer and cook for about 20 minutes, allowing the flavors to deepen and combine beautifully. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Gently add your cooked, tender beans to the simmering sauce. Stir everything well to ensure the beans are fully coated. Let it simmer for another 10 minutes, allowing all the delicious flavors to meld and create a truly satisfying dish. Serve hot with your favorite sides. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.